meron po tayong two parts po ng tour, no? We have the walking attraction and then the drive-thru attraction. I believe lahat po sila ay gagamit ng tram. Is that correct? Okay po. So first po, we have the Zubik Park and then the Serpentarium. Ayan, purely walking lang po yan, ano? Meron po tayo dyan different kinds of birds, exotic, domestic, and then farm animals. To be followed by the Serpentarium. Mostly po reptiles po dyan, ano? And then, mga snakes. Ayan. And then, after po natin sa may walking attraction, you'll be riding the tram. It's gonna be a hop-on, hop-off ride po, no? To view the animals inside their enclosure. Pagdating naman po natin dito sa may Tiger Safari ride, you're gonna be transferred to our customized jeepney. Okay? So it is gonna be a reverse scenario. You're gonna be inside the cage, and then the tigers are gonna be roaming around you. Okay? So in here po, you're gonna be grouped. So at the Tiger Safari ride, we are offering tiger feeding. So that will be 250 pesos per group per jeepney. So that is for later po. Okay? I will group you po. And then last naman po, we have the Crocoloco. Everyone in here po, I want you to hold on to your important belongings. Why? Because po underneath you will be 60 to 70 crocodiles. Pag po nahulog ang inyong mga importanteng mga gamit, hindi po yan agad-agad mariretrieve. Okay? Kasi agad-agad pong pinagkukumpulan ni crocodile. Okay po ba? Okay, everyone, we'll start our tour with the walking attraction. Ayan.